Good morning, students. Today I am going to do lesson 9, basic geometrical concepts. Okay, exercise 1, page number 90. Alright, now as I have started my video earlier, in this video I am going to do fill in the blanks. Question number 1, E. Question given, a line has dash end point. Students, here in the blanks it will be no. I shall explain in my next video some definitions, then it will be clear to you why I am telling that it has no endpoints. Okay, so simply this is a line, okay, and a line is, as a line is extending in both the sides endlessly. I have given one arrow in this side, I have given another arrow in this side. This means this, in this side this line is increasing endlessly, in this side also line is increasing endlessly, hence a line has no end point. So you can tell what are these. For naming a line I have to give it 2 points, or you can name a line by some other way also. Okay, so but you will remember that a line has no endpoints. Okay, now I shall explain it again in my next video. Then come to question number 2. You must know what is open figure and what is closed figure. Okay, so I am doing, this is for question number, explanation of question number 2. I am drawing this figure. I am starting from this point, okay, and I have drawn up to this. This is my starting point, and this is my end point. Okay, I am drawing another figure. Suppose I have started from this, I have started from this point, this is my starting point, and I am going it this way, coming this way, coming this way, and I have ended it here. This is my end point. Okay, this is my starting point and this is my end point. Alright, hence I shall say the figures where they do not have same starting point and end point are called open curve. its definition is the figure that doesn't have same starting point and end point. Okay, so these two figure doesn't have same starting point and end point. Starting point and end point are different. This is the starting point and this is the end point. This is called open curve. Now, what is closed curve? Okay, then I shall draw the closed curve also. Now I have drawing figure like this way. This is my starting point and I have gone it in this way. Then I have come here. Then I have again from here I have reached it end point. My starting point and end point is same. This is my starting point. I have started from here. I have gone here. From here I have gone here, and from here I have again come in my starting point. In this figure the starting point and end point are same. Hence this is a closed curve, closed figure. I am drawing another this is my another figure. This is my starting point and I have gone from here. From here I have gone here. From here I have come here. From here I have come here. From here I have come here, and from here I have again returned to my same point. Okay, here also starting point and end point is same. Hence this figure is called closed figure, closed curve. Okay, closed curve. I shall write the definition. Closed figure, closed curve. Closed curve, closed figure. Open curve, open figure. So I am writing closed figure.